So I love working with high growth businesses that are making sales, they're in the game, things are working from a customer acquisition standpoint, but there's something that's just not working on the fulfillment side of their business, right? Like, so customers are coming in, but they're not staying or they're not participating. They don't know what to do. There's a disconnect between making a sale and keeping that customer for life. So what happens is that customers are dropping off. There's no retention. There's no ascension to the next offers. And so the business owners are struggling. They're working way too hard. There's too much complexity in the business. Those are my people. We love coming in and providing a strategic and systematic approach to helping businesses not only acquire customers, but allow them to participate and engage and become raving fans so that they not only stay for life, but recommend their friends, their colleagues, and other people to engage as well. So if that sounds like you, let's chat.